Aquarius, Aquarius, Aquarius. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot, 16 to 31 of December. Yes, good morning. Good morning po. Magandang tanghali at magandang gabi. Shout out po ako sa mga fellow OFW. Enjoy natin ang weekend. Enjoy natin ang weekend at holiday. Yeah? Okay, check natin. Check natin Aquarius. What Aquarius needs to know? General reading po, general reading. Kung makaresonate, shout out. Kung hindi po ay sa susunod. Check natin. 16 to 31 January. Year of the Fire Horse for 2026 po. So, maraming mabilis mag-isip, maraming mabilis mag-desisyon, maraming pagbabago na mangyayari. Yeah? So, ano natin yan? I-take advantage natin yung good opportunities at yung expansion, yeah? Ang new moon about long-term goal, ang message niya, taking responsibility, new growth at opportunity. Tuloy natin yung long-term goal na yan simula ng taon for 2026. So it's a good time, yeah? Okay, Aquarius, check natin. 16 to 31 January. Give me one card. Simulan natin ang good reading. Let's give Aquarius a good reading. Kape-kape po tayo. Kwentuhan. Kwentuhan tayo. One card. Okay. Oops. Dali. Ay, tama. Okay. Sorry, Aquarius. Okay. The Lovers. Okay. Partnership or new relationship, new offer, or pwede rin tong crossroad, yeah? Tignan natin Aquarius. So, partnership, kumbaga sa trabaho, merong opportunity darating. New opportunity, new connection. Ito yung mga in-applyan mo na sa trabaho na, okay, ano na to? I-hire na natin. Or yung boss mo na decided na, okay, may connection sa iyo, Aquarius, hardworking, very sharp, matalino, i-promote na natin yan. Yan. Equal exchange, yes? Merong mutual respect, mutual understanding, lahat, everything in the right places. If you're dealing with Gemini, so mapapataas pa to the next level yung relationship and partnership ninyo. So that's about commitment. Yeah? Okay. I-check natin. Ituloy natin ang reading for air sign Aquarius. Yes, malapit na yung birthday ninyo. Check nyo yung birthday, happy birthday reading. Yep, baka meron kayong makuwang message doon. It was a nice reading para kay Aquarius. Oops, hindi sa yan. Okay. Aquarius 1631. What Aquarius needs to know. Okay, so yan. Dealing with Leo, strength, okay? Towards beginning, ano mo muna, kung may issue ka, challenges, i-fake mo. Show that strong-willed outside, maski na sa loob ng hihina. Yeah? Okay. So, iba-iba tayo ng pinanggagaling at pinaghuhugutan ng challenges sa buhay. So, ano pa rin to, i-heighten mo, itaas mo pa yung level in terms of your courage and strength. Yes? So, nasa puso mo yan. So, hindi na nila kailangan malaman kung ano yung nararamdaman mo kasi it has a huge impact sa surrounding mo. Yes? So, sometimes, mas mabuti pa minsan na na lang tayo, we keep quiet. Yes? I'm not saying na kailangan tayo mag-suffer, pero sometimes we need to contain that. Yes? Balance. Okay? Isa sa message ng, I think it was the full moon. To keep that balance. Yes? Merong infinity symbol. So, it's abundance, infinite possibilities. So, kung ano yung niluluto mo now, Aquarius, always keep in mind, don't lose sight. Yes, don't lose sight. Despite na may mga challenges, don't lose sight na it will pass. Okay? Isang message yan dito. You're trying to balance this. Okay? Gemini, duality, yin and yang, plus itong strength within you or within that zone noong situation mo now. Yeah? Okay. So you have to keep that equilibrium. Yeah? Okay. Ituloy natin. 16 to 31, Aquarius. What Aquarius needs to know. So itong reading na ito will coincide sa ninyo, sa birthday season ninyo, Aquarius season. Okay. Tingnan natin, kuha pa tayo ng isa pang message. Buuin natin yung storyboard ni Aquarius. What Aquarius needs to know. One card lang. One card. Yeah? Okay. Tingnan natin. Okay, see? 7 of Wands. Kaya siguro lumito yung strength card dito. 7 of Wands, ito yung proving. Yeah? Proving your point or stand up in what you believe in. Okay? Medyo stressful ito. Kasi minsan, it's either we keep it to ourselves na tama ako, mali sila. There are situations na sometimes we need to push back. We need to say no kung kailangan mag-no at yes kung kailangan ka magsasalita ng yes. Okay? Aquarius na very independent, very intellectual, medyo eccentric, guarded. So, meron kang personality na siguro na if you hindi mo makontain yung mo lang, yung nararamdaman mo, okay? Ayaw mo ng small talk. Gusto mo kaagad ilatag lahat sa lamesa yung card, okay? So, minsan diyan ka magkakaroon ng strain, yeah? If you're dealing with Gemini or relationship, minsan kailangan natin we keep guarded yung ating opinion, and also siguro it's about balance. So kasama rin diyan yung timing, yeah? Timing. Minsan it's not what you say, but how you say it. Tama po ba? Yeah, taking responsibility. No right or wrong. Pero it will help na to navigate yung situation na mas smoother at less stressful. Yes? So you want to start the year na less, I mean for me, less headache, yeah? Okay. So, maganda yung simula. Maganda yung simula. Tsaka na lang, sa susunod na lang ulit I'm not saying na palagi ka na lang magmamartir, pero sometimes, is it really important na masabing tama ka? Yeah? Or halimbawa yung waiter, mali yung in-order mo, tubig na may yelo, gusto mo lang ng ice, cold water, may yelo siya, okay? Yung mga ganun tipo. So, is that something na kailangan isumbong mo dun sa manager ng restaurant? Okay, those kind of things. So, siguro yung ayaw mo ng pagiging small talk, depende na rin yun kung ano yung what is small talk para sa'yo. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Iba-iba kasi tayo ng personality at the same time yung situation. So, natin. Iakma natin yung yung reading sa present situation natin. Okay, one more. Check natin. Give me blind spot. Blind spot. Okay, partnership ito, may darating. Or you want to solidify that partnership connection. Pero kailangan mo daw ng pasensya, the strength. Okay? Strength, and you need to stand up for what you believe in. Yep. But keep that balance. Yun ang message ng full moon sa January 3. Yeah, advanced reading po ito, advanced reading. Okay, one blind spot. Aquarius, air sign. One blind spot. Tingnan natin. Yeah, okay. New beginning, Ace of Pentacle. Yeah. So structure. So uh, ang napipick up ko rito, okay, because you have that lover card, okay? So structure to three-dimensional. So any partnership na mabubuo, magiging solid and also align doon sa vision board mo, okay? So partnership, hindi nangangahulugang relationship, boy and boy, girl and girl, girl and boy. Community yan. Partnership sa community, sa teacher mo, sa professor mo, sa kaklase mo, sa kaibigan mo. Yes? Ano yan, tataas yung level of your, kasama na dyan yung maturity, kasi nagkakaroon kayo ng, ano na, like what I said, kung hindi mo na kailangang ipaglaban, sometimes hindi na kailangang ipruweba na tama ka o mali sila. Business as usual, ika nga, okay? And that's how you mature. Yes? Doon mas lalo madedevelop yung more opportunity kasi magkakaroon ng free flow. Nandiyan yung, kapag meron kang nako-contain mo, yung hindi na lang puro ako or hindi sila, puro sila, mas magaang yung free flow of your yung ano na yun, yung pag-uusap, yung communication, yung understanding and everything. So mas lalong mag-grow yung type of relationship na nabubuo now, okay? So opportunity will open up, okay? Again, maaring meron silang alam na hindi mo rin alam. Yes, you gain knowledge. It's part of growing then at the same time sa negosyo. So minsan minsan may pagka-controlling tayo, okay? So we want our way. Mas gusto natin yung we are so caught up dun sa idea natin, nami-miss natin yung medyo tama rin pala sila, okay? Gemini, if you're dealing with Gemini, meron din siyang idea, yeah, na sometimes nakakatawa, pero reality, okay naman pala yung mga ganong situation. Yep. So this is something about structure na mag-open up once na ma-master mo, siguro kaya nandito yung strength card, ma-master mo, it requires inner strength. Yeah? Kumbaga sa ay, puro kababawan ito. Puro ganito, ganyan, kababawan para sa iyo. Okay? Pero you didn't realize yung kababawan na yun, kumikita pala ng mas malaki kaysa sa iyo. Yeah? People doesn't know that. Yeah? Minsan pinagtatawanan natin yung yung mga nasa social media, naggaganito, ganyan, ganyan mas malaki pa pala yung sinusweldo nito kaysa sa akin. Yeah, yung mga ganong tipo na hindi na kailangan mag-stress na kamukha ko na nagtatrabaho ng 12 hours para lang yung gaganahin kong kita sa isang buwan, nakukuha nila ng 2 linggo lang. Yes? Those kind of things, those are something na mag-open up pa rin. This is about wisdom, headspace, Gemini, Aquarius, headspace, intellectual ka, minsan yung three-dimensional na overlook natin yung nangyayari sa situation now, kung ano yung modern times, ika nga. Merong kaalaman na hindi natin minsan alam na pwede palang ganoon, na simpleng-simple, bakit ko pinahirap, yeah? Okay, this is a nice one. This is a nice one start for 2026. Kuha ako, tignan ko. Okay, balik ako dito sa isang card. Tingnan natin. This is, magandang ito. I like this type of reading, Aquarius. Okay. Tignan natin, check pa natin. Ayusin ko lang yung camera. Yeah, okay. Tignan natin, Aquarius. one more blind spot. One more blind spot. Okay. So isang personality is ng Aquarius is loyal friends. Okay? I think this is a good combination. Lalo kapag medyo napupuno ka at nagiging impatient. Okay, one blind spot. What Aquarius needs to know? Gemini very prominent dito if you're dealing with another air sign. Oops. One lang. One lang. Yeah, dalawang binigay. Okay, basahin natin. Seven of Cups, choices. Ang ganda-ganda mo at ang gwapo-gwapo mo rito. Okay? So, naguguluhan ka ba sa choices na dumating dahil sa ang dami for a start of the year? Yeah, maganda yan. Maganda yan. Maganda minsan maging sakit ng ulo yung madaming opportunities. Yes? So, just keep again your strength inside. Okay? Minsan yung choices na yan knock on wood, hindi naman siguro ito it's a life and death decision, okay? So, keep that balance, okay? Kasi yung Gemini, duality, yin and yang, okay? Hindi, naghahanap palagi ng balance yan, okay? So, if it's, or gamitin mo yung Gemini instinct, siguro yung masasabi ko, na kapag masaya yung kakambal, masaya din yung isa. Yeah? Okay, yung ano niya, yung balance. That's i-simplify ko na lang when you're making a choice. Okay, minsan illusion yan at kapag nadala ka ng emotion mo, minsan doon nagiging out of balance. Yeah? So keep always that yung headspace at saka yung emotion. Yeah? Seven of Cups, merong to, Scorpio, water sign element. So, medyo dramatic. Okay? Yeah, okay. Naghahanap ka ng mas deeper relationship meaning. Yes? Okay, ang nakikita ko rito, siguro dahil sa personality mo ito. Okay, you don't like small talks. Ayaw mo ng ayaw mo ng pichi-pichi, ayaw mo ng maliit. Gusto mo kung ibibigay sa'yo is a full experience. Yeah? Okay. Another one is baby step. Yeah, page, maliit, baby step. Baka naghahanap ka agad ng level 10. So, start with level 1, level 2, progression. Keep your progression. Kaya ka siguro nagiging impatient dito. And, yeah, because you want to keep pushing yung envelope, yung button. 7 of 1. Ito yung palaging sinasabi na ganito tayo dapat, ito tayo dapat, pumunta tayo rito, ayan ang gawin natin, itong gawin ko, ito yung gawin mo, yeah, bam, okay, dasal, 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 susundin ba nila ako, walang nangyayari, bam, may nangyayari, pero half-hearted, yeah, page of cup, bata, maliit lang yung na-offer, maliit lang kasi yung kaalaman, pero pure yung kanyang emosyon, okay, innocence, innocente. Okay? That's something that you need to consider also. Minsan yung bata, mas marami tayong natutunan. Simple mag-isip, simple mag-desisyon. Tama ba, Aquarius? Okay. So, tignan natin. Meron pang kulang dito. May gusto pang sabihin. Okay. Balik tayo dito. This is about partnership na nakikita ko. Okay? How yung dynamics noong relationship ni Aquarius sa surrounding niya will play out. Yeah? Very very day to day. Walang something major na dapat i-worry. Okay? Sa opisina, sa trabaho, sa kapitbahay, sa relationship. Okay, check natin. Less problem, mabuti. No news is good news. This is this type of reading, okay? But you're in a relationship, somebody na air sign, prominent, Gemini. Gusto mong i-move to the next level, but you need to keep that open mind. Siguro kaya nandito yung yung 7 of 1, that is strength, okay? That's an inner work. Inner work po yan. Minsan kailangan yung pagbabago manggagaling sa atin before we can appreciate and move on, kasi minsan we are so caught up dun sa ating belief at values, etc., na ayaw mag-bend noong rules, okay? Ayaw mo i-bend, okay? I'm not saying na ayaw ito Aquarius na sa harapan ko ayaw i-bend talaga, pero something to be cautious of, yeah? A lot of opening up, a lot of may expansion dito, yeah? Okay, check natin. Oops, hindi saya. 1, Tignan ko lang yung outcome. Tignan natin. Oh, yeah. Okay. News is moving fast. Okay. Hinihintay mo patiently. Meron kayo hinihintay patiently. This is internal work. Okay. But there's expansion. Offer. Hinihintay mo yung balita. Maaring ito yung uh, an example is merong isang dormant in terms of relationship, very passive, etc. Ngayon, naghihintay ka, nag-alchemy ka, nagpe-pray ka, nagwi-wish ka na mapansin ka naman in a different level. Yes, may effort ka rito. I can see, may effort ka. But sometimes you're losing patience. Nagiging impatient ka. You are hoping against all hope na something change, something will move, okay? Parang nag-stalemate o kaya ganun na lang. Is starting to feel bored and you're playing on your head and your emotion choices, but you need to understand na hindi lahat pwedeng itaas yung level the same as your expectation. Now, yung hine-expect mo na pagbabago, balita yun. You will feel it in all type of form. It can be by text message, communication, verb in writing, or emotion na magiging sweet or magiging maalalahanin. Those are type of message, yes, and it's coming fast. Okay, expect that on the 16th to the 31st of January. Okay, let's get one more. Okay, one more message for Aquarius. Tingnan natin. One more message. Tingnan natin. One more blind spot. What Aquarius needs to know. One message. One message. One message. One message. This is still positive. Okay, there's nothing for you to to worry. I don't think na nagwo-worry ka dito. Being air sign, independent, nakafocus ka din sa priority mo. I can sense here. So it's not something na is kakasakit mo ng ulo. Okay. You're dealing with Scorpio. Okay. So inner work ito. There will be change. I think pinaplano mo ito. This is something na you want to work out. As parang mo ito, ginawa mo siyang New Year's resolution. Yeah. Smart Aquarius yung nasa harapan ko, mature, loyal, hindi mo realistic na there's no such thing as a perfect world. Yeah? Okay. So, you are ready to undergo transformation yourself. Yeah? Okay. So, that's the sun. Okay? That is Scorpio. Death and rebirth. If you're dealing with Scorpio, magkapi-kapi ka doon, kasama siya. And then you realize what is transformation is all about. Yeah? It's painful kasi ito yung mga habits na ang komportable tayong gawin. Kung dati nagluluto ka ng sinigang na iba yung pang-asim mo, ngayon magta-try ka kasi yun ang kinalakihan mo, ngayon iibahin mo na, hindi na sampalok, ngayon mix na. You know those kind of things which is very sa'yo, you're not used to it, okay? Or something na hindi ka romantic, hindi ka showy, ngayon you need to be showy. Yes, mga ganun tipo. Kung dati very sharp yung tongue mo na lahat na lang nilalash out mo yung mga nasa paligid mo kapag hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo, ngayon ngingiti ka na at magpapasensya na, ay okay, sige gawin mo na lang sa susunod kapag may time ka. Yeah, that's how it is, inner transformation. The more na ma-master mo yan, you can see that sun, the portal ng 11, yan yung pillar. Yeah? Higher vibration yan. Connect to your higher vibration and then, bam, you're gonna get that abundance and expansion that you are looking for. I think this is intellectual ka, Aquarius. So I will talk to you in sa intellectually na sa headspace, okay? You need to understand also yung emotional psyche. Yeah, Scorpio, water, emotion, death, and rebirth. So, if you can balance and master that, you're gonna see a different Aquarius na nasa harapan ko, na lahat namumulaklak, lahat may gold nugget, and mas easier for you to navigate yung passage na pupuntahan mo. Yan yung bundok symbolizes ng pangarap natin. Yeah? Relationship, financial structure, health, etc., family. Yes? Walang magiging, yung passage na yun is all clear na to achieve those dream. Yes? Okay. Wonderful. Magpapakapitong si Aquarius. One moon oracle. Yeah. I like this type of reading. I like this type of reading. One card lang. One card lang, Aquarius. Malapit na siya mag-birthday. Malapit na mag-birthday si Aquarius. Yeah, okay. Leo, okay? Oh, see, lumitaw dito si Leo. Very fire. Mainit, okay? Minsan, ano ka rin, you're having this element. It is an important time to guard against being self-centered, over-opinionated, or pushy. Yeah? Okay? So, sabi ng kaibigan mong Leo, huwag ka daw pushy, Aquarius. Yes? Okay. Have the transformation. Kailangan, minsan kailangan natin yung um, internal work, siguro assignment mo to, na we need to change internally before we can have that balance, especially sa relationship na may sensitivity. Yep. And I can see here also if you're want to have a strategy to, want to have a child, yes, it will be also auspicious time. Yeah. So, but not for everybody. Yeah. Okay. So, 16 to 31 January. So, Aquarius. So, sana nag-enjoy ka po. And see you again.